Coffee lovers, rejoice! This Wacaco Cuppamoka pour-over coffee maker is here to transform the way you enjoy your coffee on the go. For those who appreciate the art of a manual brew, but don't want to compromise convenience, this sleek and compact pour-over coffee maker offers the best of both worlds. Whether you're camping in the wilderness, traveling for work, or just want a fresh cup during your daily commute, the Wacaco Cuppamoka delivers premium quality coffee with a simple, efficient process. In this review, we'll explore why this portable coffee maker is a must-have for any coffee aficionado. Key features of the Wacaco Cuppamoka. 1. Versatile and compact design. The first thing you'll notice about the Wacaco Cuppamoka is its compact and portable design. No bigger than a standard coffee mug, this pour-over coffee maker fits easily into your backpack, suitcase, or even a car cup holder. Despite its small size, it's packed with features that allow you to brew barista-quality coffee wherever you are. The built-in coffee dripper, coupled with the included 10-cone paper filters, makes the brewing process seamless and convenient. The design is sleek, lightweight, and durable, perfect for travel, camping, or office use. 2. Easy-to-use pour-over system. Pour-over coffee is renowned for bringing out the best flavors from your coffee beans, but it often requires a lot of equipment. The Wacaco Cuppamoka simplifies this process with its built-in coffee dripper and manual brewing system. All you need is your favorite coffee grind, hot water, and one of the cone paper filters that come with the product. The coffee dripper ensures that the water passes evenly through the coffee grounds, extracting the rich, bold flavors for a perfect cup every time. It's a coffee brewing method that anyone can master, whether you're an experienced barista or new to pour-over coffee. Number 3. Stainless steel thermo cup with no-spill lid. One of the standout features of Wacaco Cuppamoka is the double-wall stainless steel thermo cup. This 10-ounce, 300-milliliter insulated cup keeps your coffee hot for hours, allowing you to sip and savor it at your own pace. The cup's no-spill drinking lid ensures that you won't have to worry about leaks or spills, making it perfect for travel or busy mornings. Whether you're commuting or enjoying a leisurely coffee break outdoors, the Wacaco Cuppamoka's thermo cup has you covered. The double-wall insulation also means the cup remains cool to the touch, providing both comfort and safety while you drink. 4. Eco-friendly and sustainable. As more people look for eco-friendly alternatives to disposable coffee cups and single-use pods, the Wacaco Cuppamoka stands out as a sustainable option. The paper cone filters used in the brewing process are biodegradable, and the entire setup minimizes waste. Plus, the stainless steel construction of the cup ensures durability, meaning you won't need to replace your coffee maker anytime soon. 5. Perfect for adventure and travel. Whether you're hiking in the mountains or navigating a long road trip, the Wacaco Cuppamoka is designed to make brewing and enjoying coffee easy, no matter where you are. The compact size means it won't take up too much space in your bag, and its lightweight design ensures that you won't feel weighed down. The no-spill lid makes it ideal for rugged conditions, and the high-quality stainless steel ensures that it can withstand the wear and tear of outdoor adventures. This is the perfect coffee maker for campers, hikers, travelers, and anyone who values a good cup of coffee on the go. Why choose the Wacaco Cuppamoka pour-over coffee maker? There are countless coffee makers on the market, but few offer the portability and convenience of the Wacaco Cuppamoka without sacrificing coffee quality. Here's why you should consider adding this product to your coffee routine. Convenience. The manual brewing process is straightforward, making it easy to brew anywhere, from your office desk to the peak of a mountain. Premium coffee experience. The pour-over method ensures that every cup is rich in flavor and aroma, highlighting the subtle notes of your coffee beans. Durability and portability. With its stainless steel construction and compact design, this coffee maker is built to last and designed to travel with you. Eco-friendly. Reduce waste by using biodegradable cone filters and investing in a durable, reusable coffee maker. No-spill design. Whether you're in a car or walking to your next destination, the no-spill lid ensures that your coffee stays where it belongs, inside the cup. Ideal for all coffee enthusiasts. The Wacaco Cuppamoka is perfect for all types of coffee drinkers. Whether you're someone who prefers to take their time and enjoy a traditional brewing method, or someone who needs their coffee to go, This pour-over coffee maker offers the versatility to suit any lifestyle. It combines the art of manual brewing with the convenience of modern design, giving you the freedom to enjoy great coffee anywhere. Conclusion: a must-have for coffee lovers on the move. The Wacaco Cuppamoka pour-over coffee maker is an excellent addition to any coffee lover's collection. With its combination of portability, ease of use, and premium coffee brewing capabilities, it stands out in the market. Whether you're at home, traveling, or enjoying the great outdoors, this coffee maker ensures that you can brew a perfect cup of coffee wherever you are. Its compact design, eco-friendly features, and no-spill cup make it ideal for anyone who enjoys coffee on the go. Don't compromise on taste or convenience. Choose the Wacaco Cuppamoka for your next coffee adventure. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.